In the realm of dietary choices, one ubiquitous contender often finds itself under scrutiny. Textured vegetable protein, TVP, also known as textured soy protein, TSP. But what makes this protein source so contentious? Delving into its origins and widespread usage unveils a narrative that prompts critical questions. How did this product emerge from the shadows of the 1960s, fashioned from the remnants of seed oil production? And why does it saturate the ingredient lists of veggie burgers, fake meats, and children's lunches? Join us as we unravel the story behind TVP, exploring its journey from waste repurposing to dietary staple. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Textured vegetable protein, TVP, emerged in the 1960s as a solution to the surplus waste generated by seed oil production. Initially, this byproduct posed a challenge for disposal, prompting scientists to seek alternative uses. Through innovative processing techniques, they transformed this surplus into a textured, protein-rich substance, TVP. The process begins with defatted soy flour, a byproduct of soybean oil extraction. This flour undergoes a series of treatments, including hydration and extrusion, resulting in a fibrous texture akin to meat. By manipulating the protein structure, manufacturers create a versatile ingredient suitable for various culinary applications. TVP's journey from waste to table staple underscores its dual nature, a product born out of necessity but now pervasive in the modern diet. However, its popularity raises questions about its nutritional value and potential health implications. Next, we delve into the widespread use of TVP in contemporary food products, shedding light on its prevalence in veggie burgers, fake meat alternatives, cereals, and even children's meals. But as we uncover its ubiquity, we'll also scrutinize the manufacturing processes, particularly the involvement of chemical solvents like hexane. Join us as we unravel the complexities surrounding TVP, navigating through its origins to the implications for human health and the environment. The versatility of textured vegetable protein, TVP, has rendered it a ubiquitous ingredient in modern food production. From veggie burgers to breakfast cereals, its presence permeates various food categories. Often touted as a convenient and cost-effective protein source, particularly in plant-based diets. TVP's popularity stems from its ability to mimic the texture and taste of meat, making it a staple in vegetarian and vegan cuisine. However, its widespread use raises concerns regarding its ultra-processed nature and the methods employed in its production. The manufacturing process of TVP involves several steps, including extraction, hydration, and extrusion, to create its distinctive fibrous texture. However, what often goes unnoticed is the use of chemical solvents like hexane in the extraction process. These solvents facilitate the removal of oil from soybeans, leaving behind a protein-rich residue that forms the basis of TVP. While the final product may seem innocuous, the presence of residual chemicals poses potential health risks, prompting scrutiny from health-conscious consumers. As we unravel the intricacies of TVP production, it becomes evident that its prevalence in the food industry extends beyond mere dietary choices. Its ultra-processed nature and reliance on chemical solvents underscore broader concerns regarding food quality and safety. In the subsequent section, we delve deeper into the critique of TVP, examining its nutritional profile and potential implications for human health. Despite its widespread usage, textured vegetable protein, TVP, is not without its critics. The scrutiny surrounding TVP revolves around its nutritional profile, potential health implications, and environmental footprint. One of the primary concerns regarding TVP is its nutritional quality. While it serves as a source of plant-based protein, it often lacks the full spectrum of essential amino acids found in animal proteins. Additionally, the processing methods employed in its production may lead to the loss of certain nutrients and the introduction of undesirable additives. Furthermore, the ultra-processed nature of TVP raises questions about its impact on human health. Studies have suggested a correlation between high consumption of ultra-processed foods and an increased risk of chronic diseases, such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. While TVP may offer a convenient meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans, its potential health risks cannot be overlooked. In addition to health concerns, the production of TVP carries environmental implications. The intensive agricultural practices required for soybean cultivation contribute to deforestation, habitat loss, and greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, the use of chemical solvents like hexane in TVP production raises questions about sustainability and resource management. As we examine the critique of TVP, it becomes evident that its widespread use is not without consequences. In the next section, we explore alternative protein sources and advocate for a more conscientious approach to dietary choices. Join us as we navigate through the complexities surrounding TVP, from its nutritional shortcomings to its environmental impact, and explore pathways toward a healthier and more sustainable future. Several alternatives to textured vegetable protein, TVP, exist, offering nutritious and sustainable options for those seeking plant-based protein sources. Here are some of the best alternatives. 1. Tempeh. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh is rich in protein, fiber, and probiotics. It has a firm texture and nutty flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in various dishes. 2. Seitan. Also known as wheat gluten, seitan is made from wheat protein and has a meaty texture. It absorbs flavors well and can be seasoned to mimic the taste of meat. 3. Lentils. High in protein and fiber, lentils are a nutritious legume that can be used in soups, stews, salads, and veggie burgers. They come in various colors and cook relatively quickly. 4. Beans. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and other legumes are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They can be used in salads, dips, soups, and main dishes. 5. Quinoa. A complete protein source, quinoa is gluten-free and packed with essential amino acids. It has a slightly nutty flavor and can be used as a base for salads, pilafs, and breakfast bowls. 6. Tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu is a versatile protein source that can be used in stir-fries, scrambles, soups, and desserts. It comes in various textures, including silken, firm, and extra firm. 7. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. They can be enjoyed as snacks or added to salads, granola, and baked goods. By incorporating these alternatives into your diet, you can enjoy a diverse array of plant-based proteins while reducing your reliance on ultra-processed ingredients like TVP. In light of the critique surrounding textured vegetable protein, TVP, it's imperative to reconsider our dietary choices. While TVP offers a convenient meat alternative, its ultra-processed nature and potential health risks warrant caution. As consumers, we hold the power to demand transparency and sustainability in food production. Let's advocate for wholesome, nutrient-rich alternatives that prioritize both human health and environmental well-being. Together, we can reshape our food landscape, fostering a future where nutritious, sustainable options abound. It's time to take action and pave the way toward a healthier, more conscientious approach to nourishment.